When you search for the best classical guitars under $3,000, it can feel like everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, and similar photos. But if you want to find the real gems, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Yamaha C40 III. First up is the Yamaha C40 III, priced at $189.99. This guitar really caught my eye with its sleek design and solid build quality. If you want a reliable classical guitar that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The C40 II features a spruce top paired with Meranti back and sides, giving you a warm tone that's perfect for beginners or those looking to play casually. The rosewood fingerboard feels smooth under your fingers, making it easier to navigate those challenging chords. With a 650mm scale length and 52mm nut width, it's comfortable for players of all sizes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The spruce top enhances projection, ensuring your notes carry beautifully, whether you're strumming softly or letting loose. Now, some people complained about the gloss finish being a bit slippery. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker, especially if you're just starting out and learning. A little practice will help you get used to it. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for quality without the hefty price tag. Skip this one if you're an advanced player seeking professional sound. For the price, it's a solid entry point. Now, if the C40 II's gloss finish concerns you, the next option takes a more beginner-friendly approach. Product number 2, Vevor acoustic guitar. Next up is the Vevor acoustic guitar, which is a steal at just $48.90. This one really caught my attention because it's not just a guitar, it's a complete starter kit. If you want everything to get started right away, this is a fantastic option. Crafted from basswood, this 30-inch classical guitar offers a rich resonance and is super lightweight, making it perfect for kids and beginners. The nylon strings are gentle on the fingers, which means less pain as you learn. Plus, it comes with a gig bag, tuner, extra strings, and picks, so you can start playing straight out of the box. Here's why this matters for you. Having all the accessories included saves you from multiple trips to the store and makes learning much easier. However, some users mention that the tuning pegs can be a bit finicky. I'll be real with you, while they do require some patience to get the hang of, it's not a huge issue if you're committed to learning. This is perfect for kids or absolute beginners who want an all-in-one solution. Skip this if you're a serious player looking for premium sound. For the price, you can't beat the value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more traditional approach. Product number 3, Yamaha CGS102A. Now let's talk about the Yamaha CGS102A, which is priced at $159.99. This half-size guitar is appealing if you're looking for something compact but still want quality. If you want a guitar that's easy to manage without sacrificing sound, this is worth considering. The spruce top combined with Meranti back and sides gives this guitar a balanced tone that's bright and clear. The 25.6-inch scale is particularly friendly for younger players or anyone with smaller hands, making it less daunting to pick up. The rosewood fingerboard is smooth and comfortable, so you can focus on playing rather than fighting with the instrument. Here's why this matters for you. The smaller size means you can easily carry it around for practice or travel without it feeling cumbersome. Some users did mention a concern about the volume not being as robust as full-size models. Here's the thing, while it may not pack the same punch, it's still perfect for practice and learning, especially in quieter environments. This is perfect for younger players or those looking for a more portable option. Skip this one if you're after a full-size experience. For the price, it's an excellent choice for budding musicians. Now, if you're looking for something that balances quality and affordability, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, Yamaha C40. Next is the Yamaha C40, also priced at $189.99. This full-size nylon string guitar is particularly designed for beginners who want something reliable. If you're looking for a guitar that's beginner-friendly but sounds great, this is definitely worth a look. The rosewood fingerboard is easy to play on, and the melamine gloss finish gives it a nice shine. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of materials enhances the sound quality, allowing you to play more expressively. However, some people have pointed out that it can take a little longer to break in compared to other guitars. I'll be honest, while it may need some playing time to reach its full potential, the sound you get afterwards is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for anyone starting their journey into classical guitar. Skip this if you prefer a more advanced instrument right away. For the price, it's a fantastic option for new players. Now, if you're looking for a comprehensive package with everything you need included, let's check out the next one. Product number 5, ADM Full-Size Classical Guitar. Last but not least is the ADM Full-Size Classical Guitar Starter Bundle, which is priced at $139.99. This caught my eye because it comes with a ton of accessories that make it perfect for anyone starting out. If you want a complete package that includes everything, this one is a no-brainer. This guitar features a solid spruce top and basswood back, delivering a bright and vibrant tone. The included accessories like a gig bag, digital tuner, footstool, and even free lessons make it super appealing for beginners. Here's why this matters for you. Having all these tools at your disposal means you can start playing immediately without making extra purchases. However, some users reported that retuning is necessary more often than they expected. Here's the thing though, this is common for new instruments, and with regular tuning, you'll get used to it quickly. This is perfect for anyone just starting out who wants everything in one package. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end professional sound. For the price and value, it's a great deal. So looking back at our top 5 classical guitars under $3,000, we've got great options from Yamaha and Vevor that cater to a range of needs. Whether you're just starting out, looking for a complete kit, or wanting something portable, there's something for you here. Each guitar brings its own strengths to the table, so choose the one that best fits your style and budget.